Web3 tokens, instant motivation for employees. Discover how blockchain-based compensation is revolutionizing employee motivation, creating unprecedented opportunities for instant rewards and long-term alignment with company success. Web3 token compensation gives employees true ownership and aligns their success with the company's growth, creating stronger engagement than traditional pay models. Leading organizations like Uniswap and Lido Finance already use governance tokens to drive loyalty and participation. Stablecoins make flexible, frequent payments possible, improving satisfaction and cash flow. With new regulations like the Genius Act providing clarity, token-based pay is rapidly moving from innovation to mainstream adoption. Token compensation delivers instant motivation by providing liquid, tradable rewards employees can use immediately, unlike traditional stock options. It empowers staff to earn more through staking or lending in DeFi, creating ongoing income opportunities. Transparent vesting schedules maintain both short-term motivation and long-term loyalty. Because tokens operate globally without banking barriers, they simplify payments for international teams while reducing costs and delays. Implementing token compensation starts with defining a clear philosophy that aligns tokens with salary and equity to reflect company values. Next, build a secure infrastructure using hardware wallets for employees and multi-sig wallets for company funds. Establish strong legal and tax frameworks to ensure compliance and transparent accounting. Finally, launch pilot programs on reliable blockchains like Ethereum, Stellar, or even better, Aperture, scaling as you refine communication and reward strategies to drive engagement and growth.